With the drag and drop lesson builder, you can create a media-rich lesson. Use a variety of multimedia elements to help your students perceive information better. Audio and video lectures, text instructions, lesson summaries and downloadable elements, samples, and so on. We'll look at how to add and configure each element, change students' access status, and modify the order of lessons. Go to the EDU section in the Courses tab and select the created course to which you want to add a lesson. Click Add Lesson. You can also proceed to build a lesson using the drag and drop lesson builder. Click on the top left menu and below the lesson list, click on the arrow and select Add Lesson. Enter the name of your first lesson. Select an item in the left panel and drag it to the workspace for further customization. In the drag and drop lesson builder, you can use 6 elements to create a lesson: text, gallery, audio, file, line, and indent. Text. This element is used to add a text block to a page. To change the formatting, click on the text. You will see the text editing panel. Change the color and font to highlight your keywords and headings. You can also add a link, format the text as a list, and add your code. You can also change the text style in the right panel and select some predefined fonts. To customize the font for each heading separately, click Customize. Gallery, image, video, and carousel. This element is used to visualize data and add multimedia elements to the page. Image, image carousel, and video. The image element displays a single image, stretching it to the content area width. Select an image from the image manager or upload a new one. You can also round the corners of the picture by setting the desired value in the rounding section. To customize the image, click on the gear icon. You can add the following elements to the picture. Alternative text allows you to get the information about an image when the display of images is displayed in the browser or during their download. Link adds a link to the page the user will go to when clicking on the image. Description adds a text over the image. You can enter up to 100 characters and customize the text. Choose the size, color, background, and position of the text. To replace the picture, click on the upload icon. To delete it, click on the trash can icon. Note that deleting an image does not mean deleting the element. To delete an element, click on the trash can icon below the element. The gallery element can also be used to scroll through multiple images. The process of uploading and editing each picture is the same as for the gallery image element. To add more pictures, click Add. With the carousel height option, you can adjust the height of all pictures. Choose the initial height of the image itself or set your own size. Your images will be stretched to the full height. With the swipe speed option, you can set the speed at which the pictures in the carousel will be scrolled automatically. If you select the manual option, the pictures will not be scrolled, and your students will need to do this themselves. With the video element, you can add a video tutorial. You can upload the file to an image manager or add a video link to YouTube or Vimeo. Please note that when adding a link to a third-party service, make sure you select the right platform you're linking from. For example, select YouTube for YouTube videos and Vimeo for Vimeo videos. In the workspace, you can view the video and use the video services viewing options. When uploading a video to SendPulse, the student can stop and scroll the video, change the playback speed, adjust the volume, and open the video in PIP mode. The video will be displayed as a small window pinned to the lower right corner of the screen and shown on top of all tabs, or full screen. When uploading a video from YouTube, the students can also save the video to their Watch Later folder, share the video, and view recommendations. When uploading a video from Vimeo, the student can also save the video and enable subtitles. To replace the uploaded video, click on the upload icon. To delete it, click on the trash can icon. Audio. This element is used to upload audio content. In the workspace, you can listen to the audio and view all the options available to the student. Rewind the track, adjust the sound, and modify the playback speed. To replace the uploaded audio, click on the uploaded icon. To delete it, click on the trash can icon. File. This element is used to upload other file types that don't play directly on the lesson page, so students will need to download them. For example, You can upload an Excel spreadsheet with data that you analyzed during your lesson, a mind map on the structure of your course, or a summary of the material covered in PDF. You can also customize the display of the file list, row or column. Spacer and divider are used for visual organization of free space and semantic separation of blocks on the page. You can select the line type, size, and color and customize the size of the spacer. You can also select an element that you have already added and copy it along with all the settings. To do this, click on the copy icon under the element. To delete an item, click on the trash can icon. To change the order of your elements, select the element you want to move. Hold down the green square and drag the element to the desired location. Click on the top left panel to expand the list of lessons, and select Lesson Settings from the drop-down menu of the desired lesson. Select Lesson Access. Open. The lesson is available to the student. With the non-linear lesson order, they will be able to view it immediately, and with a linear one, they'll be able to view it only after completing the previous lesson. Closed. The lesson will not be available to the student. You can prepare new lessons in advance. Click Apply. You can also change the order in which your lessons are shown. To do this, click on the desired lesson and drag it up or down without releasing the mouse button. Use course sections to structure your lessons. After creating the lessons, click Save and Exit.